I hope you have heard this song, Eklo Chalo Re. So this line by Rabindranath Tagore, which means go solo or walk alone, has stayed with me for so many years. And honestly, it has silently shaped a big part of who I am today. So let's go back in time. बचपन से ना मुझे डिपेंडेंसी की थोड़ी आदत थी. Not because I was weak, but nobody ever taught me कि तुम अकेले कर सकती हो. So when I wanted to travel, they were like do it in a group. When I wanted to play a sport, they were like join a group. Or whenever I wanted to do anything, they are like don't do it solo. And solo, this word didn't even exist back then. For me, solo means everything you have to do it all by yourself. That means it is going to be boring. That's what people believed and that's what I believed. So naturally, whenever I planned something for myself, I overthought about it. कि क्या मैं इसे अकेले कर पाऊंगी? क्या ये fun होगा? या क्या ये safe होगा? These kind of thoughts used to overpower everything. So either I used to look for a company or dropped my plans completely. And slowly something started to feel off. मुझे लगने लगा कि मैं ज़्यादा पूछने लगी हूँ, ज़्यादा रुक रही हूँ, ज़्यादा वेट कर रही हूँ, अपने ड्रीम्स को पॉज पे रख रही हूँ. और वो क्यों? Because somebody else wasn't ready. Hey, क्या तुम चलोगे? Let's do this thing together. Let's have fun together. These kinds of questions started irritating me. Because mostly the answers were नहीं यार मूड नहीं है, let's plan some other time or let's plan next weekend. Next weekend कभी नहीं आया. So one day I just paused. I said to myself, enough is enough. I cannot keep putting my life on hold. मेरे dreams किसी और की schedule के हिसाब से नहीं चलेंगे. And I knew that taking a first step is the most difficult part. I took this step. I was terrified, unsure, but determined. So in 2011, I wanted to join a gym. Nobody wanted to come. So I joined solo. I made plans on my birthday. People cancelled on me. So I packed my bag, left for Spiti and did it solo. I wanted to run. Same story. So I tied my shoes, started running and start doing it solo. People who started solo, people who understood this silence, this strength, this self-growth thing were my favorite people and they still are. Unknowingly they became my tribe, not because I was waiting for them, because I walked alone. And now when I look back and think, what if I had waited? What if I said कि अगर कोई चलेगा तभी करेंगे? Maybe I would have never started it. Solo journeys are not always fun. They are not easy. Sometimes it takes a lot to go on a solo journey, but it is real and it is so damn worth it. Dependency is risky when it comes to your dreams. It makes you believe you can't when you actually can. So people can be a part of your story, they can walk along with you, but they can't be your entire story. They should not be the one who decide your pace, progress or passion. So if today you're waiting for someone to join the gym, to plan a trip or start something new, please don't. Stop waiting, start solo. And trust me, you will meet the right people on the way. And now something unexpected has happened. Because I have learned to love doing things alone so much that now I have become free. I can only make someone a part of my journey if they are like-minded. People who are not afraid of taking solo steps. People who are not into dependency. People who can walk along with me but not slow me down. Because once you have tasted the power of walking alone, you will realize how beautiful this is. Because the journey you are meant to walk is yours and yours alone. Eklo Chalo Re.